Hello everybody! Today I'm going to show you how to make a zine. With a single sheet of 8.5 by 11, you can make an 8-page zine. And the way that you do that is you have to do a lot of folding. So first we're going to fold upwards. You want 8 different segments. And then we're going to fold this in half again the other way. From here, if you turn it towards yourself, you should have the folded edge over here and the 2 open edges here. You'll want to fold those 2 open edges towards the folded edge. Sometimes I like to use my fingernail to make a clean fold. Okay, so now that we have this, we can open it back up. And as you can see, there are 8 different sections for you to write on your zine. However, the most interesting part is when you create the actual booklet. To do that, we need to fold it back in half again, and then we're going to cut along the folded edge just to the middle here. I'm going to use my scissors here, and I'm going to show you. See how we have most of the paper still intact? Now, when you open it, you can fold it the other way. And if you push the 2 sides together, you'll make pages. And then you can fold them into a book. And this book has 8 different things that you can read from. However, we need to open it up in order to write on them. Okay, so you may be asking, how do I know which page is the front? The best way to start is to make your front page the bottom right-hand side. And when you write on it, you always write as if you're reading it. So I'm not going to write upside down or sideways, but this is number 1. This is my title page. And then, instead of going this way, we're actually going to turn it around so that page number 2 is here. You can add whatever you want on these pages, but we're just going to count left to right while we do this and make 8 different pages. That way, when you fold this back together like a book, you can guarantee that the side that you're going to make can be your first page. So now, when you have your first page here and you open it up, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 is your back cover, you've made a tiny little book. So I prefer using pencils and markers and washi tape to make my zines. And I've made an example using the instructions I have for you today. It's right over here, and I titled it A Few of My Favorite Things. And obviously my title page is page number 1, but I don't feel that I want to write the numbers. So I like watching squirrels outside my window. I think it's really cute when they chase each other. I really like stars on a clear night. I have this star washi. Washi tape is like a really great way to add color and have a fun zine while also making it really easy. I like watching shows late at night. Right now I am watching through My Hero Academia. I love it. I love my plants, so I've included all of my plant washi that I own. You can see some of them are reflective. I love listening to the rain when I fall asleep. I think it's really soothing. I love washi tape, if you hadn't already noticed. And this is my favorite washi tape that I own. It's a roll of tiny, shiny mushrooms, and I think it's really cute. And I love the smell of citrus. I think it smells colorful and wonderful. And I also put a bonus that my favorite fruit is lemons. And it's just a really easy way to put your thoughts down on a piece of paper. So yeah, that is how to make zines. If you'd like to see more, please let us know. Thank you so much for watching.